Pavelić, the chief of state of Croatia, announces the commentator, the defender of religious freedom, which he brought to the people of his territory, whom he has liberated from oppression. Croatia is predominantly Catholic, but has a large share of Orthodox adherents as well. In an effort to secure their support, and the support of the Bosnians, traditionally oriented toward Orthodox Serbia, Pavelić created the Croat Orthodox Church. Says the commentator, several thousands recruits to the Black Legion declare the oath of allegiance as they unite under the banner of repression of terrorist bands. The Ustashe, Pavelić elite guard, are disintegrating now due to the corruption of their membership and disrepute even in German eyes. This may possibly be the reason for emphasizing the Black Legion, the regular armed force. This, together with the two following items, may be considered a trilogy on European solidarity with Germany.